Hello and welcome. I hope you are doing well. This is part 3 of how to read price action and how to read structure. If you are new here and this is first video you are watching, please go and watch other two videos, and this video then makes sense for you. Okay. This is not I am trying to teach you smart money or any other thing. This is only how we will read price action. Okay. First I want to make sorry for that. I want to make first one announcement about my courses, and if you are students, you are student, you are not able to pay so much money. These videos make very strong impact on your trading style. First you need to make notes and watch this video and other 3-4 videos again and again, and then they makes sense to you, because this is very new concept. This is not any smart money or market maker or like that concept. This is only how we will read price action. Here is price action, high time frame, and I try to explain you everything in future. Okay, now if we have this low high and lower low, okay, market took this liquidity and broke internal structure or change of character or midterm structure or some structure. It's like all same. When market tap in this region and trade to the downside, broke structure, I said market do like that first phase, okay, and second phase market maybe induce you little bit and then break structure to the downside, and third phase market came back in this region and make new high low, sorry, lower low. Why? Okay, I hope you watched other two videos. That's why this video makes sense for you. If you not watch, go and watch that video. Why this low sometime induce this swing high and 50 swing high? Because of this demand zone. When market left unmitigated zone and broke structure to the upside, and market tap last unmitigated zone, this is not, it's not mean market aggressively on H4 time frame aggressively trade to the downside. And 50 you can see, when market tap in this demand zone or unmitigated order block, whatever you want to call, okay, market then retrace little bit, because here market jump little bit in higher time frame, H4 time frame. Okay, that's why market go to induce this swing high, but not close above this high, only this market width, because here unmitigated zone is real unmitigated zone. Most of the time react a little bit, because this is M15 price action here, okay. But when we see in a higher time frame, sorry, H4, if this is H4 price action, okay, market this H4 candle and next this also H4 candle, and when market tap in this region, market retrace little bit like that, because market tap in unmitigated zone in demand. This demand broke structure to the upside. It's mean here order is left order. That's why market broke structure. Here inject more orders. Okay, here is inject more money for breaking these two highs. Always have money. When market tap in this region, okay, market little bit retrace and then break. Market close to downside. But first time when tap in this region, market do like that. Market pumped, market jumped a little bit. When market tap in H4 candle, market jumped like that. Okay, and then trade to the but M15 M15 you see, but this is higher time frame, only one candle, but M15 you see market induce little bit this one and then trade to the downside, because here market tap unmitigated zone H4, unmitigated zone, this one. That's why market induce you little bit. If second phase, this is first phase, here we have second phase, and here we have third phase. This happen most of the time is first or second phase. Okay, if market tap in this zone, market M15 time frame price action broke structure to downside, and you not see this demand, you can enter below equilibrium. Okay, below equilibrium after taking London session, after market Asian session market build liquidity and London session tag, and you see little bit imbalance in the left in this leg. Okay, this is first phase. Okay, here you see like imbalance, here you have liquidity, and Asian session build liquidity like that, and when London open like that, and equilibrium, below equilibrium, market took this liquidity, and then market trade like aggressively like that, and this is trend line liquidity also, and this phase. Okay, this is second phase. When second phase tap in here, this unmitigated zone. Okay, then second phase pumped a little bit like that aggressively, induce you little bit, and then trade to the downside. Okay, and third phase came very deeply, and third phase then respect. Okay, this is not induce you. Okay, this high is be respected, this high not broke any by 1 pips, because we need have logic, because this zone unmitigated zone. Okay, when market tap in this zone, market give you little bit of reaction on H4 candle. Okay, but here we have M15 price action. M15 price action is little bit different. That's why this all zone makes sense for you. Okay, in future like 1 or 2 years. Okay, in future like 1 2 year, I think you see everybody talking about these things. I already teach so many people like this one. That's why I decide to come out in YouTube and I explain on YouTube, because this is my concept. In future you can see lots of people talking about this stuff. This is my stuff. You never see anybody talking about this stuff. Okay, this is it's mean on higher time frame I have steps. One step, what market is doing in one step higher time frame, and then 2 step, and then third step. Okay, H4 lag, this is H4 lag. Okay, and I explain my student all this price action. Okay, when market trade higher side and tapping this point of interest. Okay, sorry for my line, and I explain also how market do in when market tap in higher time frame, what indication you see market tapping this low. Okay, you see I explain them how you can see market going to tap this low in M15 in future. Okay, in future I will explain you everything. It's mean when market do like that and tap in this region and market trade to the upside, also I explain. Okay, sometime market do like that, not respect. Okay, I will explain in future why market sometime not respecting in this market complete first phase, second phase, and market not respect third phase, and market trade to the high side. Sometimes market do like that. This is happen is not 100%, because you need to have logic. If you have logic, this is first second leg. Okay, this is first leg. I explain a little bit more. Okay, this is first leg. Okay, this is second leg. If you know how to read first leg, it's easy to read second leg. Okay, this is first leg. Okay, and higher time frame, and M15, this is first leg M15, and here is second leg of higher time frame, and this is here is lower time frame, second leg. When you know how to read first leg and then second leg, this leg is easy to read. Now I am try to teaching only second leg. Okay, ifs and buts always happen in the market. Sometimes market do like that because you don't understand first leg, this one leg. Okay, when it's okay, I will explain in the future how we will understand first leg. This is only I try to explain. I explained second leg. Okay, it's always it's always what is a price action. This is price action. Here I not try to explain you liquidity and order block or demand and supply of fair value gap. I try to explain you how you can read this price action, this leg, how you can read, and how you can read second leg, and how you can expect market going to make new higher high. Because when you have understand when you understand first leg, how we will read first leg, and second leg is easy to read, and then you predict second third leg for making new higher high and higher time frame, and also is lower time frame. This here you see market tap in this unmitigated zone. Okay, market made new higher high, but here you see what market do. Market tap in this region, market step by step trade to the downside. You see, always happen like same. It means same, but not always, but most of the time when market give us same information, is first leg you have all information, second leg give you most of the time you can predict your next move. You can predict easily. I hope I am making sense. And this high to this low, you see market change of character, trade higher side, tap in this region. You see aggressiveness. After this aggressiveness, market unmitigated zone, market retrace. This is weekly. When we go at 4 time frame, I will read higher time frame, weekly, monthly, daily, H4, H8, and then I try to apply H1 time frame for intraday trading, and M50 time frame, and M10 time frame, M15 and H1. Okay, when we have H4 time frame, when we tap in our point of interest, we see M15 or H1 time frame, same price action. Aggressiveness second. In market tap in higher time frame, unmitigated zone, market pumped like that because this higher time frame market tap price type in this region, and higher time frame candle do like that. Sorry, this is higher time frame candle. Okay, like that. Next candle open like that, and market left imbalance. It's mean market left here is imbalance. Market what do? Market when tapped higher time frame unmitigated, market jumped a little bit like that with aggressiveness. Market took little bit liquidity and then trade to the downside. And also in second leg, you see second candle in higher time frame. Also you see in what price imbalance. But third leg most of the time going to fill this imbalance in higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame like that. This week market this week fill like that and trade to downside. I hope I am making sense, and this all videos only for understanding price actions. Okay, and also I am trying to teach you how you can understand trend, low and highs and low, how you can predict according to structure, which structure more easy to understand and which structure is not readable. how you avoid to trade in market, and how easy to trade in market. This is going to I am going to teach you in future. Okay, if you have any question, guys, if you did not understand, you can ask me. We will do video with more details. Okay, and we will I will explain more in the next video. I hope I am making sense. This is not any I try to repeat again and again. This is not have any this is not any concept. This is not smart money trader and smart money concept. This is I am trying to telling you how you can read, sorry, legs, which information price left in behind. Okay, and how you can read this and make fun new higher high. How you can read this one, first one, and to second give you similar information to make new higher high in higher time frame. You participate in medium time frame for making new higher high when you are bullish in time frame. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you very much.